Alright, here's a video of unit 158. Pretty much done for my work. Still needs new air conditioners, but all the outlets are painted, new covers, shoe molding all the way throughout, caulked. Window sills painted, window frames painted. This is just a temporary window AC unit, but it works great. And it looks like I missed a little teeny spot of caulk in the corner there where it's separated. New base cabinets, all painted to match the older upper cabinets. Tile painted. New faucet, sink, countertops, LED under cabinet lighting. Toe kick. Looks like I didn't put any molding there, but the range will be there covering it, so kind of a small thing. Maybe after the range is in, I'll put a little corner piece there. Did not finish the floor of the hot water heater room, but we have an oak threshold there. Glued down nice and tight and waterproof. Refrigerator's put in today. New light switch covers, everything painted white. Oh, and black. Nice boob lights. Hall closet, or under sink, or under the stairs closet. Just painted battleship gray with an oak threshold. So everything's tight and clean. Only joint in here is right there. I see we're still missing two little pieces of molding there, but that'll be done soon. Not a huge fan of the gray, but we had gray for the tile. And so that's a nice durable paint to just refresh the stair railing a little bit. And again, all new switch plates. Everything painted. Semi-gloss white on the doors and trim upstairs here. Only the vertical trim. The base trim is eggshell to match the walls. All same color though. As you can see, we've painted the countertops. The old pictures looked like it was a gray pattern, but no, it was gold. Some kind of gold fleck. Not real great. Oh, and I just realized I'm not completely done. We're going to go ahead and replace the little tub shut-off thing. All the all the caulk is done all the way throughout. So it's all nice and waterproof and hopefully a little bit bug resistant. Touched up the spots to try and match the texture, not a perfect match. Towel hook, new toilet paper holder. The original one was made for people with long arms. All the doorknobs are in place. All the closet doors are in place. Again, all the window sills have been repainted, and even the window trims. We did new doors here. They're a little weird because they're 60-inch and it's only a 52-inch closet, so they don't really set together and the whole thing's crooked. But in order for it to be right on the right, there's, I don't know, a big gap at the top. So something's a little weird with that, but they're functional. So here we go. Now it's a little dark in here. Again, everything's painted, all new light switch covers. Nothing special done in here except all the windows and window sills are cleaned up and painted, looking brand new and fresh. And closet doors are in, all painted, 2 to 3 coats of gloss white, new covers, and yeah, that's about it. Pretty simple, but it took a long time.